Most of the fans in attendance here have had to bring their umbrellas and wear their raincoats. It's a soggy day for this match. My name is Derek Ray, and I'm joined for commentary by the former Arsenal and West Ham player Stuart Robson. And both teams looking to get off to a flying start here on match day 1 for them. Leon Bailey. Richards. A really committed challenge, and it's gone out for a throw-in. Bobby Reid. And teammates around him. Shot attempted. Oh, really commanding goalkeeping. They're certainly allowing their opponents to come onto them. Antonio. Well, the cross didn't get past the first defender. Possession given away, unfortunately. Antonio! And into the back of the net. Well, they've paid the price for their negligence. They let them come at them. And now it's a different equation. Oh, great attacking play. Well, they continue their push for the equaliser, but definitely not forcing it. Body on the line. Blocked again. And the verdict of the referee is penalty. She's pointed to the spot. Now can they square the game? Well, no card, just a warning and a fair few protestations.
Well, not every foul is a yellow card. I think the referee is right here.
They've decided that now is the time to go to the bench. Chance to equalise here. And that is when you need your goalkeeper. Antonio. Well, possibilities inside the box. Has a go. And it's gone in. The team's separated by 2 goals now. You cannot say they don't deserve it. Well, we're inside the final 10 minutes in this one. And out for a throw-in, just misfiring with the pass. Oh, a perfectly timed pass. This looks interesting. Can he do it? Nicely blocked. Who's going to get on the end of it? And a goal to put the final stamp on it. That will do it. Well, if there were any lingering doubts about the outcome, surely they now have been removed. And there it is, the referee brings this game to an end, and a win for Jamaica. And into the back of the net. Well, they paid the price for their negligence. They let them come. Hello, it's great to be with you, and I don't think anybody is going to complain, especially about the weather. I'm your match commentator, Derek Ray, at the microphone, and sitting alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfield player, Stuart Robson. And it's second time around in the group stage for these two teams. It's Jamaica against the United States. Promising attack, this. Well, there it is, the first caution of this match.
Well, he didn't need to make the challenge, did he? He's under pressure now.
And he takes on the shot. With the game level, let's see what they can do with this corner. Well, pass after pass, maybe they can chisel an opportunity. Oh, good work by the keeper. Adams. Plenty of forward momentum here, but can they produce? Surely! Oh, a superb save! And a throw-in for the United States. An inability to keep hold of the ball there. And so 30 minutes left for play in this one. This attack looks highly promising. The pass could do damage. The goal to put them in front. And there's a turn-up for the books based on what we've seen in this game so far.
Well, here's the goal again, and it's a great ball to put him through. Good vision to set up the chance, and the movement is good, making for a comfortable finish. It's a really great goal. Not long left now, but you have to say they've defended really well up to this point, and I just can't see them conceding now. This will be a really good win if it stays like this.
And he takes it on. Superb block. It's there for him. Quite simply an opportunity wasted. Easy for the keeper. Antonio, he'll be breathing a sigh of relief. This could be it! And it is! He's done it! Surely a case of game over. And 3 minutes of stoppage time to be added on. Bobby Reid. And the challenge halts them in their tracks. And he has options available. Oh, he's given it away inexplicably. The verdict is offside here. And the final whistle is sounded. Good news for all Jamaican fans. A victory here, Stuart.
Well, Derek, they were better than their opponents in all aspects of the game. They defended well enough, they dominated midfield, and they created chances as well. It was a great performance.
This attack looks highly promising. The goal to put them in front. And there's a turn-up for the books based on what we've seen in this game so far. Hello and welcome, and I can tell you it was a dry walk to the gantry today, no rain in sight. I'm Derek Ray, and keeping me company here on the commentary gantry is Stuart Robson. And 2 games in the books already for these two sides. Well, the supporters think it's on. He's got to score! Well, decent save there. They couldn't maintain possession. Could be a chance to break here. Can he put it away? And there it is! The breakthrough! That will do nicely.
Well, this is a very tidy finish, as you can see. He's under so much pressure, but his strength just allows him to hit through the ball cleanly.
Dangerous looking attack. Still trailing, but they're upping the pressure. Keeper had work to do. Can he deliver it with accuracy? Still alive and thumped away. Oh, a very fine header, but it wouldn't go in for him. Well, as we approach full time, we have to say, playing away from home hasn't been a problem for them. Can they see it out? Stuart, your thoughts?
Well, it's going to be a nervy end to this game, but if they do hold on, I think they've deserved their win. They've played really well, and they've played some good attacking football. And in general, they've controlled the game.
Corner it is, and they know they've got to be opportunistic at this stage of the game. And there's the delivery. And a good take under duress there. Opportunity here. And the keeper there to deal with it. Well, having been awarded the corner, they'll no doubt look to put the issue beyond all doubt.
Well, there it is. I'm not sure what all the fuss was about. It wasn't even close in the end.
But he's gone short with it. Well, tremendous block. And the final whistle is sounded. Good news for all Jamaican fans. A victory here, Stuart. He's got to score! Well, decent save there. The breakthrough, that will do nicely. Well, he's gone into the book. He has time to play it over. Oh, could it? Hello, it's great to be with you, and I don't think anybody is going to complain, especially about the weather. I'm your match commentator, Derek Ray, and my partner, ready to bring you all the analysis and technical talk, is Stuart Robson. Bailey. And the ball with Ruth. And scope for them to produce something exciting. Brilliant save. Just the challenge that was required. Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. Bailey. Gray. Shot attempted. Oh, goodness me. Into the goalkeeper's grateful grasp. Can they create something from here? Oh, he's left his marker for dead. Gray. Making sure it didn't get past him. Space afforded him. A poor cross, all things considered. Threat over for now, it seems. Going well. Now he must favour the cross. Big chance. Oh, he's missed, but by a minuscule margin. Jonathan David. Has a go. Well, they've won possession back. What can they do from here? It's always likely to be the goalkeeper's ball. Antonio. Johnson. And the emphasis is on creativity. Can he put it in? And he's missed the opportunity to net the opening goal.
Well, it should be 1-0, Derek. You can see how frustrated he is with himself.
Well, we have 20 minutes left in this game. David. Osorio has it. And now passing it through. And there it is. The deadlock has been broken. We wondered if a goal would arrive. Well, now it has. And will there be a result? responds now.
Well, here it is again, and it's a superbly weighted through ball to break that defensive line. And the finish is clinical. He just makes it look so easy, doesn't he?
Well, nearing full time, and here's the question, are they going to come up just that little bit short? Stuart, your thoughts?
Well, they've certainly lacked a goal threat up to this point. There's been little invention.
Oh, look at this, Stuart, an opportunity! And a goal! They lead by 2 now, and that allows them to breathe a bit more easily.
Well, here it is again. He goes past his marker so easily with just a drop of the shoulder. And from there, he never looked like missing. That's a lovely goal.
Lee. Gray. Gray. Takes the shot. Oh, that's a fine save. And over comes the corner. And that will be all for this game. No sense of feel-good in the Jamaican camp. They've lost this one, Stuart.
Well, Derek, they were certainly off the pace today. Beaten to the ball in too many key areas. They need to refocus now and perform better next time out.
And that allows them to breathe a bit more easily. Gray takes the shot. Oh, that's a fine save. Nights like these are just what you hope for as a spectator. A warm welcome. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me in the commentary box, providing expert analysis, is Stuart Robson. And we're about to bring you this World Cup group stage encounter. It's Costa Rica, and they take on Jamaica. Well, nowhere close to the goal when all was said and done.
Well, from that sort of position, you should really be testing the goalkeeper. Has to hit the top.
Nothing positive comes of it, unfortunately. Can he put them in front? Well, it was a wonderful chance, but the goalkeeper comes through.
Yes, Derek, we have to give credit.
Takes the shot. Well, able to close down the shot. Danger averted for now. The save was a good one. Another short corner here. He might be onto something. Great reflex action.
Well, that should have been a goal. Mind you, it's a brilliant save.
Has a go. Well, for power, 10 out of 10. For placement, maybe 8. Still pushing for that goal that would see them forge ahead. It has to be! And the keeper caught there. Now can they make something happen? And the keeper stretching to deny him. So a personnel change then. Hello everyone, here we are. It's often described as one of the most intimidating venues in world football. Mexico City's Estadio Azteca. I'm Derek Ray, and keeping me company in the commentary box today is, of course, Stuart Robson. And on the menu for you, this World Cup group stage game. It's Mexico, and they take on Jamaica.
Well, these teams know they cannot afford to drop points today. It's so important they are consistent throughout the group stages if they want to progress further in the tournament. Should be tense, Derek.
Andres Guardado. Daniel Johnson. A very timely interception. Sanchez. He's given it straight to the opposition. Gray. Deciding to go inside. Well, not too far away at all, but getting underneath it ever so slightly. Jesus Corona. And possession ceded by Mexico. A really sumptuous ball. Now the task is to remain focused. And a goal! He's put it away! A celebratory moment!
What an emphatic finish that is.
Herrera. The ball with Jesus Corona. Back to Jimenez. Using all his defensive acumen to cut it out. Now can they counter clinically? All hands on deck. And he takes it on! And foiled only by the crossbar. They're making high pressing work for them here.
Well, had that gone in, they would be in complete control of this game.
Richards on the ball. Excellent vision. Well, the decision is offside, and he's bound to be a bit disappointed.
Well, he's actually made his run before his teammate had control of the ball, and that's why it's offside.
Jimenez. He's protecting it effectively. Herrera. And collected tidily. He had plenty to think about. Rodriguez. Lozano. Shooting! And a fine stop. Lozano. And a decent save. Full credit. They have elected to go to the bench at this stage of the game. Short corner taken. Lozano. No way through. Now showing excellent vision. That could cost them at this late stage.
Well, that should have been the equaliser. I'm not sure they'll get another chance now.
Rodriguez. They might be able to get in now. Oh, good reflexes from the keeper and the danger averted. As far as stoppage time is concerned, 3 minutes here. Funes Mori are showing a willingness to attack, as they must, given the circumstances. Time running out. A routine save. That's it. The referee brings the action to an end. A really sumptuous ball. Now the task is to remain focused. And a goal! He's put it away. A celebratory moment. Oh, showing excellent vision. That could cost them at this late stage.
Well, that should have been the equaliser. I'm not sure they'll get another chance now.
Hello and welcome, and I can tell you it was a dry walk to the gantry today, no rain in sight. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting next to me here on the commentary gantry is the former Arsenal and West Ham United midfield man, Stuart Robson. And on the menu for you, this World Cup group stage game. It's Jamaica versus Panama.
Well, it's vital that you don't have an off day in these group games. Consistency is key to progressing further in the tournament. I'm looking forward to a hard-fought contest here today, Derek.
Carrasquilla. High quality defending. Richards. Gray. Can they forge ahead? Well, they would have done had it not been for the keeper. Moving the ball forward with purpose. Antonio. Squanders the chance for 1-0.
Well, that's a big miss. They should be leading now.
Gray. On the ball, Michael Antonio. Antonio. Determined defending. Well, they've won possession back. What can they do from here? Oh, dealt with by the goalkeeper. Over it comes. A decisive clearance it was. Really sitting deep now. That could be problematic. Must take the lead here. And they have. You've got to say, it has been coming. Bailey. And he might be through here. And tremendous goalkeeping.
Well, he just made it so difficult for the striker. His presence alone just caused him a problem.
So the corner played into the box. Not really the ideal clearance. Reed, will he finish? In it goes! Delighted to be two in front. Things look good for them now.
Well, here we can see it again, and he does so well to skip beyond the defender. It just buys him that bit of time to get his shot away. That's a really nice goal.
Bernard. Richards. Well, nicely cut out. Now what can they do with the ball? In a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. Bailey! And a fine stop. Good work to regain possession. Gray. Inside route looking promising. Oh, surely! And over it's in! We cannot declare this contest over. They still believe. The tackle completely mistimed, and you would expect a booking under the circumstances. And a yellow card it's going to be, Stuart.
Yeah, the ref's got that right. It's a yellow card all day long.
Nicely cut out. And it's a double for him in this game. No way for the opposition to contain him. And no wonder he's off celebrating. Can he finish here? Well, not quite what he wanted to do with the pass. Daniel Johnson. And a crucial intervention inside the box. And the final whistle is sounded. Good news for all Jamaican fans. A victory here, Stuart.
Well, Derek, they were dominant in most aspects of the game, particularly in that midfield area, and they also looked threatening in the top third of the pitch. It's a really good result for them.
Really sitting deep now. That could be problematic.
Must take the lead here. And they have. You've got to say, it has been coming.
Not really the ideal clearance.
Will he finish? In it goes! Delighted to be two in front.
The inside route looking promising.
Oh, surely. And oh, it's in. We cannot declare this contest over. In with a chance. And it's a double for him in this game.
And a warm welcome on what is a fine day for football. I'm delighted to be able to report. Misfiring completely.
Yeah, he's gone for power, but the contact was never right. It's a poor effort, really.
In with a chance.
And a goalkeeper on top of his game.
Well, it's great goalkeeping. What a big save that is.
Can he put them in front? Oh no, he's missed the opportunity. And they remain level.
Well, he just lacked composure there, didn't he? They should be ahead now.
Firing it towards goal. Determined defending. Not the best clearance. Can he do it from miles out? Well, just centimetres over the bar with that powerful shot. Well, let's find out if they can improve their finishing here.
Can he put them in front? Well, it was a wonderful chance, but the goalkeeper comes through.
Yes, Derek, we have to give credit to the keeper.
Firing it in. Well, really fine goalkeeping. Good diving stop. Too far from downtown Los Angeles. We're at Dignity Health Sports Park in Southern California. I'm Derek Ray, in position to bring you live match commentary, and my expert analyst, as always on these occasions, is Stuart Robson. And on the menu for you, this World Cup group stage game. It's the United States, and they take on Jamaica.
Well, it's vital that you don't have an off day in these group games. Consistency is key to progressing further in the tournament. I'm looking forward to a hard-fought contest here today, Derek.
Bailey, and the ball with Roof.
Must take the lead here. Oh, he's been denied, and they remain locked together.
Well, that's a good save, but really he should have scored from there. That's a big chance.
Balogun. Pulisic now. Well, they might be onto something. Big opportunity. A really good chance for him, but he'd love to have that moment back, Stuart.
Well, in those situations, you expect him to score, or at least make the goalkeeper work.
Antonio. Good technique displayed. Oh, that's a really good run. It needs an accurate cross. Bailey! Oh, a save right out of the top drawer. Super stop. Will he play it in?
Oh, yes! As pure a header as you're likely to see, and he ought to be very proud of that one.
Well, here it is again. Just look at the quality of the cross. It's inch perfect, but you do have to ask questions of the keeper. Could he have done better here?
Well, they've been getting the substitute ready, and now they will make the personnel change. Antonio. An unforced error, you've got to say. Promising sequence. Bailey. It's there for him. There it is! Two to the good now, and that gives them a buffer.
Well, let's look at this again. And the keeper just lost his bearings there. He was never in the right position. He won't want to see that again.
Richards on the ball. Going well. Mariappa, not to be advised, giving the ball away there. Opportunity here. Well, good defending, clattered out of there. Oh, terrific pass. Oh, good work by the keeper. And the final whistle is sounded. Good news for all Jamaican fans. A victory here, Stuart.
Well, Derek, it was a comfortable win in the end. Fully deserved their victory because they dominated every aspect of the game. It was a really good result for them here today.
Will he play it in?
Oh, yes! As pure a header as you're likely to see, and he ought to be very proud of that one.
Bailey, it's there for him. There it is, two to the good now, and that gives them a buffer. Most of the fans in attendance here have had to bring their umbrellas and wear their raincoats. It's a soggy day for this match. My name is Derek Ray, positioned here on the commentary gantry, and sitting next to me, ready to give you all the analysis, is Stuart Robson. And we're about to bring you this World Cup group stage encounter. Stuart, tell us about your pre-match thoughts.
Well, you have to be consistent in these group games. You can't afford to have an off day, otherwise you're out the running before you know it. Anticipating a really good game, though, Derek. Hope we're not disappointed.
And this confrontation is underway. Lee. Johnson. Tremendous ball played through. Oh, marvellous save. Great goalkeeping. Well, you can probably see why we're focusing on this fellow as one to watch. Stuart, in particular, what do you expect to see from him?
Well, 3 goals in the last 3 games. He's in great form at the moment. He's playing with confidence as well. Every chance he could add to that tally today.
Well read to ease the pressure. And he might be through here. And a goal! They start as they mean to continue. They make the opening statement.
Well, just look at the defending here. The keeper is left totally exposed. It's an easy goal in the end, but well taken.
Johnson on the offensive. Oh, terrific pass. He might be able to make it through. Oh, there it is! A back and forth on the match. Now they're level again. The lead lasted nearly minutes.
Well, just look at this again. The speed of counter-attack is so impressive. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
Lovely ball over the top. Gray. Surely! Well, not the easiest of saves, but you'd expect him to stop it. Richards on the ball. Patient build-up at the moment. I think I spoke too soon. Wasn't the best of passes finally. Antonio. Opportunity to deliver the cross. Antonio. A deft clearance. Antonio could go ahead. Antonio! And there is the goal to re-establish their advantage.
Well, just look how he holds off the defender. He keeps his balance and he still hits the target. What a good goal that is.
Moving the ball forward with purpose. Takes it on. Oh, well hit, but couldn't keep it down. Roof. Fruitful looking attack. Reed. Gray. It's got to be. Well denied by the keeper, but really he only has himself to blame. And players waiting in the centre. This could square the game. And that's exactly what has transpired. Now, that could be a massive turning point, and momentum is with them. Taking care of business defensively here. Roof. Well, sitting deep like this might be a dangerous game. And given away. And he's made headway. And fine goalkeeping. Well, both teams have had substitutes swarming up. And now both will rely on their respective benches. And he's fired over the corner. Oh, yes! It's gone in! And now a chance for them to revel in the moment.
Well, here it is again. It's a well-delivered ball into the box. And from there, he never looked like missing. That's a lovely goal.
Adrian Mariappa. What can they do from here? It might be. Not to be advised giving the ball away in that position. It has to be, surely. No hiding from the fact that they really should have extended their lead.
Well, that was a poor miss. Could they come to regret that?
And the substitution will occur now. Leon Bailey. And there it is. The referee brings this game to an end, and and a win for Jamaica. Stuart, how would you assess their performance? And he's fired over the corner. Oh yes, it's gone in, and now a chance for them to revel in the moment. I must say, it's always a joy to be in this particular city, Vancouver, and this particular venue, BC Place. My name is Derek Ray, and ready with his tactics board to provide all the analysis is Stuart Robson. And on the menu for you, this World Cup group stage game. It's Canada, and they take on Jamaica.
Well, thanks, Derek. All they can do is win this game. They can't worry about the other result. Let's hope they come out and play as we know they can. This should be a good game.
Antonio. The pass could do damage. And the goalkeeper expertly anticipated that through ball. Kyle Larin. Showing excellent vision. And a goal! Not bad for starters. They take an early lead.
Shows great awareness to play this through ball, but there's still plenty to do from here. He hits it so well though, lots of pace, lots of power, and the keeper just can't react in time. It's a great strike.
Bailey. Bobby Reid. Pinnock. And Reid with it. Richards on the ball. Just cutting off the supply. Breaking at pace. Can they keep it going? Great chance to make it a brace, but the keeper had his say.
Well, there you have it. The away team have had so much of the possession, but their attacking play hasn't been good enough so far. There's been too many safe passes and no real penetration. They certainly need to up the tempo if they're going to get back into this one.
Oh, they could be in here, Stuart. Able to clear the danger, at least for now. This might be ideal for the counter. Jonathan David. And providing width. And players waiting at the far post. Superb save.
Well, he should score, of course, but that's a brilliant save.
Bobby Reid. That's useful play. Has a go. Well, it was straight at the keeper, but technically good goalkeeping. Jonathan Osorio. Promising attack this. Played into the centre. Well, nothing untoward happened. Antonio. Return to Bailey. Just the challenge that was required. Good visualisation and execution. And opting for power over placement, but not the desired result. And the play stopped. They will make the change now. Now we're inside the final 15 minutes. Antonio. And still danger here. Well, good defending. Clattered out of there. The high press was very much on. And they've done it to square the game once again. Exhilarating.
Well, as you can see, he hits this with so much power, but just look at the follow-through. So athletic. That's a dynamic strike.
Goal.
So, a level contest. 1-1.
Michael Antonio.
On the attack, is there to be late excitement? Can they forge ahead? Yes is the answer. And that could be oh so important.
Well, here it is again. Just look at the quality of the cross. It's inch perfect, and then the shot is emphatic. He strikes it with such power, the keeper has no time to react. What a good finish.
Johnson. Antonio. They get forward, but time is very much against them here. Had a decent reading of that ball in. And it's full time here, and a defeat for Jamaica. Not the result they were hoping for, Stuart.
Yes, Derek, it was a tight game between two very good sides, but they lost concentration late on, and it's cost them dearly. They'll need to get over that quickly.
And they've done it to square the game once again. Exhilarating. Can they forge ahead? Yes is the answer, and that could be oh so important. Welcome to a game that really should have pulses racing. Every reason to believe this will be enthralling. I'm your match commentator, Derek Ray, at the microphone. And sitting alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfield player, Stuart Robson. And on the menu for you, this World Cup group stage game. And you've got to say, meat and drink to those in the wall. Antonio. Well, it would have been a chance, but the run was mistimed. Offside. Shamar Nicholson. Bobby Reid. Promising attack, this.
Well, as you can see, the hosts have controlled the possession, but without really creating too many chances. Which, when you look at the players out on the pitch, it's really disappointing. They need to play with far more urgency to win this game.
Well, first things first, they need the ball again. Can he finish? And there is the opening goal. Well, arguably against the run of play, they've been second best up to this point, but they have the lead. A creative look about this. Well, it came to nothing in the end. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. This could be the equaliser. And it is the equaliser. Well, now, that could be a huge turning point in this game. They carry the momentum. A chance maybe from the wide position. Can he put it away here? Oh, tremendous goal! Technical excellence to finish that one off. Wonderful to have that in your repertoire.
Well, here's the replay, and it all starts off with that cross into the box, just begging for a teammate to get on the end of it. And then the finish is fairly simple in the end. That's a good goal.
convince the Brazilians to shut them down. Johnson. Oh, beating his opponent with ease. And snuffing out the danger, but a corner coming up. Good refereeing, waiting for a natural break before administering the caution. Over it comes.
A goal! That's two for him today. They simply can't stop him. No wonder he's celebrating.
Well, here it is again, and you have to say it's the perfect delivery into the danger area, and it's a comfortable finish in the end, which is made to look so easy. It's a lovely goal.
And there it is, the referee brings this game to an end, and a win for Jamaica. Stuart, how would you assess their performance?
Well, Derek, it was a comfortable win in the end. Fully deserved their victory because they dominated every aspect of the game. It was a really good result for them here today.
This could be the equaliser. And it is the equaliser. Well, now, that could be a huge turning point in this game. Nights like these are just what you hope for as a spectator. A warm welcome. I'm your match commentator, Derek Ray, at the microphone. And sitting alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfield player, Stuart Robson. And on the menu for you, this World Cup group stage game. It's Panama, and they take on Jamaica. Leon Bailey. And a goal it is! No long wait for the opener today. Bailey, opportunity. It's in. They're looking really relaxed and confident. Well, pass after pass, maybe they can chisel an opportunity. And saved by the keeper. Stop from the keeper. Well, flinging himself at the ball. And the substitution will occur now. The job is partially done, but they want top spot in the group. We'll have all the action.
action here on EA TV.
Hello everyone, the heavens opened earlier and the rain shows no inclination to stop. We're looking forward to the game anyway. My name is Derek Ray and joining me for commentary is Stuart Robson and getting ready to bring you this World Cup group stage match. It's Jamaica versus Mexico. Lozano. Guardado. Can he finish this? Oh, that is and in at the second time of asking, just what was required.
Well, the initial save is a good one, as you can see, but unfortunately it dropped straight to an opponent. A bit unlucky, really.
Herrera. Vega.
And now passing it through. And there it is. But hang on, the flag has gone up and it's not going to count.
Well, it was a close call, but he is just offside. Good finish, mind you.
Well, a crucial intervention inside the box. Jesus Gallardo. Herrera. There to take it away. Teammates available.
Oh, fancy footwork. Antonio!
Oh, really sound goalkeeping. He's got the right idea with that pass. And a goalkeeper on top of his game.
Well, it's great goalkeeping. What a big save that is. Well, can they draw level here? The crowd certainly think so.
Antonio.
Could be. He's blocked it.
And time for the change now. Alert intervention. Can he find the right pass?
Must be! And a goal! The equaliser! Superb entertainment!
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace. And then the shot is emphatic. He strikes it with such power, the keeper has no time to react. What a good finish.
Lozano. Now with Jimenez.
Chance to take the lead. Well, he failed to deliver that time.
Bernard. Gray. A meaty but fair challenge, and it will be a throw-in. Richards has it. And he stopped them in their tracks. So half an hour remaining. Roof. Creative look about this. Well, decent effort, but not troubling the keeper too much. Threading it forward. A goal! He's dispatched it, much to the sheer delight of the fans.
Well, here it is again. He goes past his marker so easily with just a drop of the shoulder. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique.
And the snuffing out of the cross there. And there we have it. The referee's whistle brings this contest to an end. top team in the group. That's all they're going to be thinking about. Congratulations. Guardado. Can he finish this? And in at the second time of asking, just what was required. An alert intervention. Must be. And a goal, the equaliser. Superb entertainment. And threading it forward. A goal! He's dispatched it, much to the sheer delight of the fans.